Hi guys, so someone suggested I should do more videos, and so now I'm doing one just showing you the progress on this room. Right now we're into the second full day of working. I shouldn't say we, because really my father-in-law, my husband, and my sister-in-law, everyone's come down, and I really haven't done a lot of construction yet. I will be a big help when it comes to painting, but this is beyond my pay grade. So this is where we're at. As you can see, they've already installed the window, and that used to be a garage door right there. So far it's consisted of ripping out that wall, putting up some studs and things for the walls, ripping out this ceiling here and the ceiling here, and everything on this side of the room is pretty standard. So basically there he is. Basically this is where we're at. There's going to be so much more progress to come, and I'll explain a little bit more of the process for all of this, but the goal is to make it look as much like an intentional room as possible, and as little like it used to be a garage. So any places where the walls are uneven, or evening them out, any places where there used to be this awkward closet, we're enclosing the closet and going to be putting an opening on a different side. We're going to be taking out some of this ductwork to reroute some of the vents and make everything flush and the ceiling taller, because there was an awkward overhang, installing a cool industrial beam. Basically, it's going to feel like a completely different room, and I'll be standing right now in the closet whenever everything is said and done. So anyway, there's a sneak peek at our progress. So fun watching it. It actually feels more like a room now that there's that wall and window. I can't wait for it to be our bedroom. It's going to be so cozy.